y'all, it's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. No intro today, let's get right into it. I'm going to show you how to transform lentils into a gyro. So I've washed and rinsed my lentils, and I'm just going to put them in my NutriBullet base, add in my boiling hot water, and then season. We've got salt, we've got onion powder, we've got garlic powder, we've got some cumin, we've got some Jamaican curry, and then we've got some paprika. And I'm just going to blend that together until everything is nice and smooth. So here's what it's looking like. And then to my pot that has no oil in it, I am just going to add the mixture, and we're basically cooking out the water. So now you can see it's a nice thick texture. So yeah, you should be looking for this. And then I've got some parchment paper in a glass bowl, and I am just going to press down the mixture, and then I left it overnight, and here's what it looks like. It should be a nice solid block, and I'm just going to transfer that onto a plate and start to cut it into some strips. And here is a close-up of the texture of the meat we've just made. And so now to a skillet, I'm going to add a little bit of oil and then go ahead and lay the strips in there. You can do as little or as much as you like, depending on how many people you want to serve. And now I'm going to take a pita that's been warmed up. I'm going to add some plain hummus to it. Just spread it out there evenly. And then I'm going to add our gyro meat. And then I have some chopped spinach, and I'm going to go in with a little bit of tomato. If you like hot sauce or something spicy, this is a great time to add it. And then I've got some vegan tzatziki sauce that I'm just topping it off with. Y'all, this is a great, quick, and easy meal to make once you've prepped the vegan gyro meat. And so let me know what you think in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time.